Welcome to our PSU Showdown. Today we're diving into a detailed comparison between the CORSAIR RM650 and the RM1000e power supplies. Both units are popular choices among PC builders, but they cater to different needs. The RM650 is perfect for budget-conscious gamers and professionals, while the RM1000e is designed for high-end enthusiasts who demand top performance. Let's explore their features, efficiency ratings, and overall value to find out which one is the best fit for your setup. When it comes to power capacity, the CORSAIR RM650 offers a solid 650 watts, making it an excellent choice for mid-range systems. On the other hand, the RM1000e provides a whopping 1000 watts, ensuring that even the most demanding setups can run smoothly. This significant difference in wattage makes the RM1000e ideal for high-end gaming rigs or workstations that require more power for multiple GPUs or high-performance components. In terms of efficiency, the RM650 boasts a Cybernetics Platinum rating, which means it operates at a higher efficiency level, particularly at lower loads. This translates to lower energy bills and less heat generation. Conversely, the RM1000e, while still efficient with a Cybernetics Gold rating, does not quite match the RM650 in this regard. However, it is designed to handle higher loads effectively, making it a reliable choice for power-hungry systems. Both power supplies feature a fully modular design, which simplifies cable management and installation. However, the RM1000e stands out with its inclusion of the native 12 volts 2x6 cable, essential for connecting modern high-wattage graphics cards. This feature provides a significant advantage for users looking to build high-performance systems without needing additional adapters. The RM650, while modular, lacks this specific cable, which may require extra purchases for those planning to use high-end GPUs. In conclusion, both the CORSAIR RM650 and RM1000e power supplies have their strengths and are tailored for different user needs. If you're looking for an affordable, efficient option for a mid-range build, the RM650 is a fantastic choice. However, if you need maximum power and future-proofing for high-end components, the RM1000e is worth the investment. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons and tech insights.